We've lost the hairnet and we've gone for teacher vibes. Let's go. Today we're making Melomakarona. So a cup of sugar, a tea. Lovely. So 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of oil, so that's like a light olive oil. I want to get another whisk. I've squeezed lemon, orange and mandarin. So got a cup of sugar, 2 cups of oil, 1 cup of citrus, half a cup of beer. I should bought me proper beer. Keo. This is oh, cheers. Yeah, you didn't trust me to get the ingredients. I said I'll get all the ingredients. And she comes with a little Tupperware. Wait, I haven't even done the beer yet.
Me too.
Gani?
Gani.
Okay. Drink the rest. A little bit of salt. How much? A couple of tablespoons? Who loves brandy, Yiayia? In your heyday? Sorry. Bossa. And 1.5 teaspoons. Okay. So some nutmeg. Right. 1 cup of caster sugar. 2 cups of olive oil. Half a cup of beer. 1 cup of citrus juice. Big shot of brandy. We've got all the zest from the orange, lemon and mandarin. Teaspoon of cinnamon. Some nutmeg and ground cloves. That's all we've done so far, right? And some salt. So 1 big teaspoon of baking powder. Mix the baking soda with a bit of citrus juice. So what the baking soda mixed with acid makes it. I'll do it. Go on, go. Vai giallo. I feel like you're the one that's making the mess. I feel like I need a wooden spoon at this point. So these biscuits are amazing because they last ages. Alright, more? I know, but it's not too much, man. That is so wet still. I don't think we've been close, babe. We need loads more. Ooh. Alright. Oh. All those cups. I think that's about 1.2 kilos of self-raising flour. That feels nice. Huh? That feels lovely. Smells like Christmas. You want me to do a cross? Yes. Okay, I'll do it.
Let's see. Bravo.
Lovely. She wants to bake one, like a test. How long would you leave this for? And then that's ready and we'll bake it. Okay. We'll cover it, leave it clean, and then we'll... That's it, we're done? Okay. Okay, so we're putting some walnuts in as well. Change the recipe to your taste. It's really nice, it feels really light now. So they show us how to shape them. So the unusual thing about these ones is they're really unusual. They're soaked in syrup. Are you cutting my paper? Okay. They're really soft, really smooth. Yeah, they're really nice. So yeah, we're piercing them so that they absorb the syrup once they're baked. Well, no, so it's in the oven. We're going to make the syrup to... We're going to make the syrup to put the biscuits in. Gani? Gani. Lovely. And then a bit of rose water. Gani? Alright. Cold biscuits, hot syrup. Sweet. Let's go. They're delicious.